How you doing? I am currently going through a little video that I did out of the cemetery here in town, not far away. There is EVPs. I can hear it. I wasn't even out there to do. I mean, I went out there to do that, but it was getting all rainy, so I decided to just do a video, me in the van, chilling, whatever. And when I got home and I started editing, I could hear voices. I could hear help me. I hear man's voice. I hear woman's voice. And anybody out there that's watching this, hit me up. Leave a timestamp. Let me know what you hear. And if it's just my imagination that I'm hearing this, just leave a comment with timestamp. So I'm gonna have to ask for help from some of my other adventurers that I got out there. I hope you enjoy this. It's short. It's a lot of movement. As I said in the video, I forgot my tripods. Every single one of them. I won't forget them this time. Everything's together in my bag. Everything's together. So, hope you enjoy. Sorry about all the movement. I'm not having all that good of a day, so I decided that I was going to come out and do a video at a cemetery. Guess what? Nature has other plans for me. Want to see? Well, I gotta shut the door, I'm getting wet. So, it's gonna be a little dim, but I really would like to get some good flashes. Holy. That ain't gonna really work very well because all that water on the window looks like little clouds. I'm in my van. Alright, I forgot my freaking tripods. I forgot all my little handheld tripods. I'm brilliant that way. Hey, what can I say? This is not the first trip I've forgotten a daggum tripods. This side's not getting wet. Let's go check out over here real quick. Ooh. Yeah. I'll try to cut some of this stuff out. Check these clouds out. If we can, I hope. Well, it wasn't getting wet on this side. We got a shifting rain. Nope, I doubt very seriously you're waterproof. Okay, it's getting harder. Alright. Yep.
try again. I'm gonna try to get this out. I'm sorry. I will edit. I promise I'm not gonna let anybody suffer this. Those little coat rack thingies out in the vehicles. And of course, it's not gonna work for me. I'm just gonna let it sit here, because it looks like there's a lot of lightning coming out that back. Hopefully it'll cast it out. Let me see. There we go. I wish I would have remembered doing that. So I'm sitting out here in the middle of the cemetery. Got me a little blanket, got my pillow, I even brought my laptop. I'm all set. So it either stops raining and I go out and I explore, or it don't stop raining and I go home at some point in time, maybe. I don't know. I might go home, I might just stay here. Alright.
Okay, well, I've got this. Got it to the end. I didn't cut nothing out. Y'all really, please listen. I know there towards the end, I definitely got it very clear. I couldn't make out the first word, but help me. That's what I heard. Somebody help me or something. You gotta help me or something like that. Hopefully, y'all be able to hear it and you can tell me. Hope you enjoyed this thing. I'm gonna go back out. I'm gonna do some more. See what I can get. More information, get more something figured out. And I'm not going alone. I'm going to try to have somebody with me. I don't know who yet, but I'm going to have a guest with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy the next videos that I put out. Y'all have an awesome day, night, whatever. Love y'all. Peace.